Hi kids! Welcome to another day of learning. I am Teacher Frell, your teacher in English 2, Week 6, Quarter 2. Today, we will be learning about the words with short vowel sound A, E, I, O, U in CVC pattern. Our objective is spell high-frequency words with short A, E, I, O, and U sound in CVC pattern. These are the short vowel sounds. Letter A. The sounds of letter A is A. Can you repeat after me? A. Letter E. The sound of letter E is E. Repeat after me. E. Letter I. The sound of letter I is I. Repeat after me. I. Letter O. The sound of letter O is O. Repeat after me. O. Letter U. The sound of letter U is A. Repeat after me. A. So the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Today, we will be learning about the vowel sound in CVC pattern. CVC stands for consonant, vowel, consonant. Reading CVC pattern is very much easier to read, especially to the kids like you. CVC pattern is a three-letter word. For example, the word cat. The letter C is a consonant letter. The letter A is a vowel letter. And the letter T is a consonant letter. When we join the three letters together, we call it CVC pattern. Consonant, vowel, consonant. The vowel is always at the middle of the two consonant sound. Blending sounds of CVC word are easy if you are familiar to the sound of the letters. The sound of letter C is K plus A plus T K A T equals cat. This is the CVC pattern. Here are some examples of words with short vowel sound. Words with short A sound. Say the words and repeat after me. Short A, bat, fan, van, rat, ham, can, car, jam, rag, bag, map, fan. Now it's your turn to read the words. Short A. Very good! Words with the short E sound. Say the words and repeat after me. Short E, fell, beg, wet, met, bed, pen, peg, sell, yes, jam, net, men. Now, it's your turn to read the words. Short E, e. Very good! Words with the short I sound. Say the words and repeat after me. Short I, sin, hill, pig, 6, wig, rib, kit, fix, win, fit, kid, him. Now it's your turn to read the words. Short I, Very good! Words with the short O sound. Say the words and repeat after me. Short O, aw. Cob, box, cup, mop, pot, hug, sob, hop, tot, top, hot, log. Now it's your turn to read the words. Short O, aw. Very good! Words with the short U sound. Say the words and repeat after me. Short U, mug, bus, nut, pop, some, bug, hot, cup, cub, tub, cut, bun. Now, it's your turn to read the words. Short U, Very good, kids! Now, give the correct name of each picture. Are you ready? First picture. What is the name of this picture? Correct! The name of this picture is jam. J-A-M. Jam. Next picture. What is the name of this picture? Correct! The name of this picture is web. W-E-B. Web. Next picture. What is the name of this picture? Correct! The name of this picture is pig. P-I-G. Pig. Next picture. What is the name of this picture? Correct! The name of this picture is box. B-O-X. Box. Next picture. What is the name of this picture? Correct! The name of this picture is mug. M-U-G. Mug. Very good, kids! Next activity. Give the missing word to complete the sentence. Number 1. Dan is a blank lad. What is the missing word? Correct! The missing word is fat. Dan is a fat lad. Number 2. The bag has a blank. What is the missing word? Correct! The missing word is tag. The bag has a tag. Number 3. The blank is dip. What is the missing word? Correct! The missing word is well. The well is dip. Number 4. Anna bought blank pencils. What is the missing word? Correct! The missing word is 10. Anna bought 10 pencils. Number 5. The blank is in the pit. What is the missing word? Correct! The missing word is pig. The pig is in the pit. Number 6. She gave her blank to Anna. What is the missing word? Correct! The missing word is pin. She gave her pin to Anna. Number 7. The soup is blank. What is the missing word? Correct! The missing word is hot. The soup is hot. Number 8. The blank is small. What is the missing word? Correct! The missing word is cot. The cot is small. Number 9. The blank is hot. What is the missing word? Correct! The missing word is sun. The sun is hot. Number 10. The blank is big. What is the missing word? Correct! The missing word is bus. The bus is big. Good job, kids! Remember, kids, the short vowel sounds are A, I, E, I, O, U, Always remember that the CVC pattern is a 3-letter word. For example, the word cat. C is consonant, A is vowel, and T is consonant. This word is a CVC pattern. Once again, what did you learn today? Correct! Words with short vowel sound A, E, I, O, U in CVC pattern. Kids, I hope you've learned a lot on this video. Until our next topic, bye-bye, kids!